Here we go, number 7. Which transformation was used to change rhombus WXYZ to WXYZB? Okay, now this we got a little bit of a typo here. Alright, but anyway, you get the idea. So we had this figure, and then something happened, and it changed to be that big figure. So the question is, what happened? So if we look at these different options, let me explain what each one is. I'm going to do dilation last. I'll tell you dilation is the answer. Alright? So reflection, what that means is it makes a mirror image. Okay? It does not change the size of it. It doesn't even change the shape of it. It's the same shape. It's just a mirror image. Okay? So it's like flipping. So a word that we use a lot with this is flip. Alright? Rotate. You probably can guess that means turn. Alright? And I know that this image has not been turned because you see how W is facing up. This is W. W prime is also up. X is on the right side. X prime is also on the right side. So you see it has not turned at all. So we know it wasn't rotation. It didn't flip. It's a mirror image of itself. Translation, what this means is slide. Okay? Now, you might say, well, look, W slid up and X slid to the right and up and Z and so forth, okay? Now, when we say slide, that for a translation to have happened, every single point has to slide the exact same way, okay? And what you'll learn is that a slide, a translation, does not change the shape. And it does not change the size. It stays congruent. So let me give you an example of a slide. So you might say, hey, W slid up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So it does look like W slid up 9. If that's the case and this was a translation, that means X would also slide up 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that would be X prime. This would slide up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would also slide up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you see when I connect this, I didn't do a good job connecting it. But you see how it made the exact same image? It just slid up. So that's why this is not a translation. So now let's talk about what dilation is. Dilation uses scale factor in order to make an image larger or smaller. In this case, it obviously made it bigger. Okay, and they're not asking in this question what is the scale factor. There are other questions that ask stuff like that, but all you need to know is to recognize that this is a dilation because the image was small and then it got proportionally larger.